Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can just set your pricing and discounts on your Shopify. So to do that, you have to just here you can see I have opened my Shopify. So log in here and just see here in Shopify we have a product option. So you have to click on here and it will select the product, whichever product we have to change the price, and this affects the product selling. Okay. So for example, here is the product. So as you can see on hand is here. So the product price is here. I can just edit it. So we can do this all products as $99. Okay. So we can just copy it. We can go here and we can do A, Control A plus C. Okay. Control A plus C, Control A plus V. We can just Control A plus V. So we can do it and change it the price. So actually I've imported this products from CJ dropshipping, so they have set the price from themselves. So they have take the margin for me as 400%. So I don't want a margin of 400%, so I want a margin like less margin and customer retention more, because my customer matters. So I am selling electric product. So I'm selecting two, three products. I am not here for selling courses. That's why I have to just make the price at 99. So as you can see, we are doing at 99. Okay. So we have to do save. So here you can see we have saved. So after doing this, so we have to just click on our product, and in our product we have a last option known as discount, or we can just click on here. So in discount we can just create a coupon. So to create a coupon you have to just click here. So as you can see, product of, you can just select the product of. So automatic discount we can do, as automatic discount we can just do product. Okay, so you can just generate, or you can just click here to, you can just generate as first. Okay, let's say first lander. We can do first lander. Okay, and we can select the percentage or the value. We can select as 100% discount. We can do 100% discount on this collection. You can do. So as you can see, the minimum amount is to purchase of this. There is no minimum amount. Okay, it's for all customer, and maximum discount uses we can use limit to one per customer. So first lender can be combined with the shipping discount. Okay, and we can take the other product discount. So here is the like active date. So we can just set the end date also. So let's do it for 1 week, and you can just save the discount. As you can see, it specific collection. So we have to add to a specific collection. So we can add to a specific product. So we can just ticket this product. So we can just ticket this product or this product. We can just add it and save it. So first lender, our discount code is ready. So if anyone come and purchase the product from here, they can just buy. So this is online store, like store is live. So you can just check it one time. Yes, click here. So we can't purchase the product because I have not purchased the premium plan. When I will purchase the premium plan, that we can just uh, purchase. Okay. So here you can search, as we have two place here. Okay, two set, three set, four set, five set. So you can just three set. You can just click on buy now. Buy now, it will be not there. Just set something wrong. So as you can see here, when I will like to purchase a plan. So to purchase a plan, you have to just click on Shopify here, and at the top you can see a select plan. If you don't see here, you have to just click on here at settings. So settings, we have an option known as plan. Just click here, and here we can just select as choose plan. So from here you can see, as we can just select the plan for $1. As you can see, the basic pro, we can select the $1 plan, and the $1 plan is like gives us a 3 months like a 30 days trial, and it will be billed like after 30 days, as you can see. So here we can see we can select a yearly plan or monthly plan. We can just set our like business address, so we can just do like the payment with our credit card or our PayPal. So we can select. So I suggest you to pay with the credit card. It is easy. So sometimes in your PayPal there is like no balance, so it will be like a problem to you. So you can just pay through your credit card. So this is how you can just add the product and set up the discounts on your like Shopify. So you can just like I did the second the same step to open here, and you can see that we have set the price as the most of it is 29. Okay, so let's select the all, so we can like edit bulk edit. So here we can see we have a price here. So here we can see the prices in US dollar. So we can just edit there is SKU, not we can edit here like we can just select here or you can just set your price as over $29, and it will be okay. So let's do $21.99, and we can just make it save. So it will be edited in one time. So as you can see, so it will take about 20 seconds. So as you can see, the variants have been saved. So we can just check in our site. So to check, we have to go to our online store. From here we have to wait till it loads. So here to click to view online store, as you can see. So here to just click on catalog, and as you can see, this is over here. So this price is showing like a $29.99. So as you can see, so it's not showing here because it's not updated till now, but we have updated this price to 29 USD to all of the products. So this is how you can just edit it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video, and thank you for watching.